Ah, di ba suman? Ano yung party sa local participants na?
Right? I firmly believe all of us here came from a church community. Tama ba?
Kung ano yung kanta iba na break my heart for what praise words. So, ay pag-asa ng bayan, pero paano natin na hindi pag-asa sila if they are being
sinabi ko, ano ang dapat about the situation, but really, genuinely, walk alongside with them. In Exodus 3, chapter 3, verse 7, he said, I've taken a good look at the affliction of my people. This is what the Lord said to his people. I've heard their cries for deliverance from their slave masters. I know all about their pain. I know tips over hands. This problem is not something new. Do you agree with me? This is the reality that we see.
Burgos Avenue, Bacolod City. Signed, Annalyn Tor, RTG Coordinator names, Pastor Francis Alvizar, Facilitator, Church of the Nazarene, together with Pastor Luke.